Good students, today I am going to teach you about light. Today we will study about footage line. Footage line, what is light and what is the characteristics of light. How does light help us to see the things? How does the light help to see the object? And also say that what causes shadow fall? What causes shadow fall? And the speed of or the motion of light move in which direction, and how does the light travel. In these cases we will study about light. In first case, we see that I define the light. Light, what is light? Light means in which presence object we see. In which presence we see the object. That is known as light. Here, in which presence, in which presence we see the light, we see the, or in which presence we see an object or any object. In which presence we see any object. Any object. Or in which presence we see the objects, which is very better, the object here. See the objects. Okay, students? In which presence we see the objects is called light. Is called light. Is called light. Light is very important in our life. If light is not, then what happen? We cannot see of any object without in the presence of light. If light is not, then you cannot see any object. Therefore, light is a very important part in our life. Here we know light is also a form of energy. Light is also a form of energy and many sources of light. And here light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy, and you know that many sources of light, as many sources of light in which sources the sun is the biggest source of light, and others are candle, torch, bulbs, are the sources of light, or candles, torch, bulb, etc. And star also the source of light. Here candle, torch, bulb are the sources of light, and torch and bulb here torch, bulb are depend on electric current, So okay students, so thus the light is very important role in our life, and the light travel always in a straight line. Light travel in a straight line. Here light always travel in a straight line in one direction, and its speed is 3 lakh kilometer per second. Its speed is 3 lakh kilometer per second. So okay students, thus these are the characteristics of the light. So this is thus we study and know about the light. So okay students, this concept is very important. You write in your science notebooks, and next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank all of you.